What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today some of you are asking me to make videos about like smartphone and stuff, because I started this channel with like reviewing smartphone, unboxing, routing and stuff. So today I ordered this phone for one of my uncle from Simple Mobile website, and he's an older person, like he's old, so he doesn't really want anything expensive because he'll eventually drop the phone and stuff. So he told me to order him like a cheap smartphone. So I was like, you know what, let me save some money for him. So basically what I did, I went to Simple Mobile website and I found this Alcatel One Touch Pixie Glory phone for free. So basically $69 phone for free. So all I had to do basically just buy the plan for I believe $25, and the tax was like another like $3, and then was like around $28 with free shipping. So I picked up this phone, and you guys can see I already unboxed, and let me just show you guys. I have the phone right here. It's a pretty good phone for like free, of course, free, anything is good. Please don't mind, I had the graphics card here. Basically I'm cleaning this graphics card up. So let me just take the phone out. So you guys can see the phone right here, guys. It's a pretty good phone, 5.5-inch screen, 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front camera, and of course this phone does come with a quad-core processor, and I believe 1 gigs of RAM, and internal I believe 8 gig internal storage, and also you can add like a micro SD card, and it's a pretty good phone. If you guys are like planning on buying like a cheap phone, definitely look into Simple Mobile website. They do have like 3 or 4 other free phones, but this one kind of like Alcatel phone, because I did own Alcatel phones before and works flawlessly. So I'm just gonna put the phone here. Basically I peel this sticker off the phone screen right here, and this one, this red paper, basically I believe the what they call the IME number for the phone and stuff. So I'm just gonna move this on the side, and then what else is this one? Basically attention, whatever. I'm just gonna move this, and then there's like a quick guide. Oops, I almost dropped it. So there's a quick guide. You guys can see Alcatel One Touch quick guide. How to use the phone, basically how to set it up, and then you guys can see there's a micro USB cable. I'm not opening the cable because I don't want to open the cable and it thinks like I bought him a used phone. So I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's a regular micro USB cable. And also the USB wall adapter. You guys can see right here. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Okay, and then I believe the SIM card and stuff here in this green thing. And other than that, guys, for $25, right? So for all you have to do, basically pay $25 for the plan and tax and everything, include I believe $28, and then you get this free phone. So you can pick up this phone for like backup. I believe if this phone works in like Simple Mobile, it should work in T-Mobile because they do use the same network. So let me just turn this phone on and let me just show you. So basically, Simple Mobile, Trace Phone, Net 10, and Straight Talk, they're under the same company. So you guys can see Alcatel One Touch, Android. Love Android. I got 2 phones. I got the Galaxy S8 and then iPhone X. So you guys can see a service of a Trace Phone Wireless Inc. So basically, if you are like a Straight Talk customer, you can pick up this phone from Straight Talk also. I didn't put the SIM card or anything in yet, but I think the SIM card is already in there. But you guys can see here in the screen, wow, the phone is really slippery. So this screen is pretty big, 5.5-inch, and if you go to let me just go to settings, right? Settings. What is the about phone? If I can find the version of it. So you guys can see right here, model A621BL and Android version 5.1.1, and I remember, okay, so right there, Android Lollipop right there, guys. Not bad for a free phone, right? Overall the UI seems pretty good. If you guys want to see like a detailed review, let me know. I'm just making this video because I had this phone later. If you guys want to see like a detailed review for this phone, definitely let me know. Also, this phone has like a built-in battery. I believe the battery is 2500 battery, something like that. And also does have the option for micro SD cards up to 32 gig, I believe. Yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys have any question and you want me to make like more smartphones videos, please let me know in the comment below. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys this phone. So definitely check out Simple Mobile website if you guys want the same phone, and definitely, let me know what you guys think. That should be it, guys. Peace. I'm out.